This is day 3. The very first order of business is going through a technical challenge, of course. Today was doing 3 methods for linked list: finding an element at, finding the index of an element, and then detecting if a linked list is empty or not. All pretty simple, pretty quick. I jumped into more of the class syntax for ES6, learning about private variables, even though that wasn't really required in the challenge. I was just kind of curious. And also how to call a method inside of an object. Actually, calling a method inside of a method in an object. That was kind of interesting to look up as well. After that, I registered for 2 in-person events here in Los Angeles. So I'm going to go to Demo Day LA for the first time. I'm also going to go to LA Tech Happy Hour on the west side in Santa Monica. And then I'm about to jump on this in-person call for going through technical challenges together. I just got off the call for doing technical challenges together, group setting. There's 2 other people who are active in the session, which is pretty cool. It really does reduce the imposter syndrome to have 2 other people struggling with something that seems kind of simple together. We're going through 2 pointers, and there was some small bug in there that just was not working with the while loop. So I'm going to dig through it this afternoon to figure it out, and then also see how to implement it using the for loop. But it was a really good session. I'm looking forward to Thursday's session. It's nice that I'm doing on my own time linked list and then also getting into other topics at the same time. It feels like I'm going to get through a lot more content. And it's easier to stay motivated as well. All right, second session today started off with reviewing the code from the live session, finding out the bug in the 2-pointer question. 2 pointers are very weird, very different than other ones where you can kind of sketch out, see all the cases, and then code. You kind of solve it while coding. I don't know if I really like that. I'm going to see if I'm going to find some other ways of approaching 2-pointer questions tomorrow, and also taking a look at the second solution, which is to use an if statement. I'll put some code up at the end. After that, I did a little bit of searching for jobs and applied to 1 or 2 instructor positions for coding, a little bit different. And I still have more stuff to do, but it's already 9 p.m. and there's a lot of work today. So I think I'm going to stop here and try to do a little bit more tomorrow, because tomorrow's a big free day. And I want to get into some behavioral prep. I want to get into more job applications that I didn't really get to today. But that rounds out day 3. I will see you all tomorrow.